Welcome to our tutorial on creating stunning 3D interior compositions using clay flowers. If you're tired of spending a fortune on store-bought flower decoration, then you are in the right place. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful, long-lasting flowers using just a few simple materials that you can use to decorate any room in your home. My love for flower sculpture began a long time ago. As you can see from the example on the screen, clay flowers look just like the real thing, but without a need of constant care or watering. Today, we will create one of my favorite flowers, the hydrangea. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, I will guide you through a simple and easy process that requires no special materials or tools. In the first part, we will learn how to model the hydrangea and create a modern and stylish 3D interior picture. And in the second part, we will take it one step further and learn how to create the entire hydrangea flower for use in interior 3D paintings. Subscribe right now and don't miss out the second part. So, whether you're an experienced artist or just looking for a new hobby, join me as we create this stunning 3D composition together. So, let's get started. Hello everyone! Today we will be using a very special material that I've tested for a long time and found to be the best for beginners. I'm talking about foam clay. It's light, elegant, and easy to work with. You see, just like marshmallows. Stretchy and pliable. And the best part is, we will be using only simple tools that you can find around your house, like a toothpick and small nail scissors. I show you a professional tool for creating flowers, but we won't be using it today. We will stick to the basics and use a toothpick instead. Let's do our first flower. I'll tear off a small piece of foam clay and shape it into a drop. Then I will use my nail scissors to cut it in half, and then in half again, giving us 4 equal parts. This is the perfect preparation for our hydrangea flower, which has 4 petals. Now grab your toothpick and let's start rolling. Roll each piece in one direction, then in the opposite direction, 4 times in total. This will give our petals a beautiful texture. And bend petals upward slightly. Make a small recess in the middle, tear off a tiny piece of clay from the tip of the flower and shape it into the pestle. Insert the pestle into the recess and adjust the petals as needed. Ta-da! Our first flower is complete. Moving on, we will pick up the base of it and create another flower. The process is mesmerizing and the outcome is pure beauty. And if you make a little mistake, no worries. Just grab your trusty nail scissors and fix it. See, crafting can be simple, fast, and enjoyable. I will show you 2 different coloring options for the hydrangea using pastel and acrylic paints. We will be using 3 colors, pink, green, and yellow, to give our flowers a lovely natural look. First, let's try the pastel option. We will start by painting the middle and the pestle in yellow. Then add green and stretch this color a little further smoothly. After that, we will take the third color, pink, and paint the edges of the petal in pink. With pastel paints, you'll get a lovely soft pastel shade. Now let's move on to the acrylic paints. I've diluted all the colors with white paint so that the flowers have a pastel shade that's not too bright. Again, we will start with yellow, then add green and pink. Another option here, I use blue color instead of pink for the flower. I used these cheap foam balls that I bought in a Dollar Tree as a base of the flower, cutting them in the half and gluing the flowers onto them with a glue gun. I pierce a hole with a toothpick and insert a flower with glue into it. And just like that, we've created a beautiful flower. I crafted two stunning flowers, one adorned with a delicate pink tint and the other with a serene blue hue. These exquisite blooms will be used in the upcoming composition. I also bought an elegant frame in a Dollar Tree, which I decided to adorn with these splendid flowers to create a beautiful piece of art. It truly feels like a finished piece of exquisite jewelry. But remember, in the next tutorial we will be crafting the entire hydrangea, which will be showcased in the final piece of this tutorial. Once completed, the hydrangea can be displayed on a windowsill or hung on a wall, adding an enchanting touch of nature to any space. With their lifelike appearance, you might even find yourself reaching out to smell them, and you will be amazed at how realistic they feel. Take a look at these frames with plain glass adorned with subtle transparent smears. I'm showing you how I achieved this effect with simple tools such as a glue and palette knife. In fact, I created some stunning icicles with this glue during the winter, which turned out simply gorgeous. As I promised, in the next part we will be sculpting the entire hydrangea. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out of any future videos. I will be sharing all my best practices and secrets with you, so you can create your own stunning flowers arrangement at home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.